Here is part 3 of the Nobel laureate. Hope you are enjoying it, so please encourage me and hit like, subscribe, and share. So let's start the video. Ernest Rutherford. Ernest Rutherford, 1871 to 1937, was a New Zealand-born physicist known for his groundbreaking contributions to atomic physics. He conducted the famous gold foil experiment, leading to the discovery of the atomic nucleus and proposing the planetary model of the atom. Rudolf Eucken. Rudolf Eucken, 1846 to 1926, was a German philosopher and Nobel laureate in literature 1908. A prominent figure in the idealist movement, his works emphasized spiritual values and the integration of individual and collective efforts in the pursuit of a higher, ethical life. Paul Ehrlich. Paul Ehrlich, 1854 to 1915, was a German physician and immunologist. Noted for his groundbreaking research on antibodies, he developed the concept of the magic bullet in medicine. Ehrlich's work laid the foundation for chemotherapy and earned him a Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine 1908. Ilya Mechnikov. Ilya Mechnikov, 1845 to 1916, was a Russian biologist and Nobel laureate 1908. Pioneering immunology, he discovered phagocytes and proposed cellular immunity. Mechnikov's work laid the groundwork for understanding the role of white blood cells in defending the body against infections. Claes Pontus Arnoldson. Claes Pontus Arnoldson, 1844 to 1916, was a Swedish journalist, politician, and pacifist, co-founder of the Swedish Peace and Arbitration Society. He shared the Nobel Peace Prize in 1908 for his efforts in promoting international arbitration and disarmament, advocating for peaceful conflict resolution. Wilhelm Ostwald. Ostwald, 1853 to 1932, was a German chemist and Nobel laureate 1909. Pioneer in physical chemistry and made significant contributions to catalysis and reaction rates. Also played a key role in the development of modern chemical laboratory and founded the influential Zeitschrift für Physikalische Chemie journal. Selma Lagerlöf. Selma Lagerlöf, 1858 to 1940, was a Swedish author and the first woman to receive the Nobel Prize in Literature 1909. Renowned for her novel The Wonderful Adventures of Nils, she is celebrated for her storytelling and imaginative contributions to Swedish literature. Theodor Kocher. Theodor, 1841 to 1917, was a Swiss surgeon and Nobel laureate in Physiology or Medicine 1909. Renowned for advancements in thyroid surgery, he advocated aseptic techniques. Kocher's innovations and meticulous skills significantly improved the outcomes of thyroid surgeries, influencing the field of surgery. August Bernard. August Bernard, 1829 to 1912, was a Belgian statesman and Nobel laureate 1909. He served as Prime Minister of Belgium and played a key role in diplomatic efforts. Bernard was recognized for his contributions to peace and arbitration, sharing the Nobel Peace Prize for his statesmanship. Paul Henry Destournelles de Constant. Paul Henry Destournelles de Constant, 1852 to 1924, was a French diplomat and Nobel laureate 1909. Recognized for his role in promoting international cooperation and disarmament, he advocated for peaceful conflict resolution and played a significant role in early 20th century diplomacy. Ferdinand Braun. Ferdinand Braun, 1850 to 1918, was a German physicist and Nobel laureate 1909. A pioneer in the development of wireless telegraphy, he invented the Braun tube and made contributions to the understanding of semiconductor behavior. Braun's work laid the foundation for modern communication technologies. Guglielmo Marconi. Guglielmo Marconi, 1874 to 1937, was an Italian inventor and Nobel laureate 1909 for his contributions to the development of wireless telegraphy. Often credited with inventing the radio, Marconi's innovations revolutionized long-distance communication and paved the way for modern wireless technology. Otto Wallach. Otto Wallach, 1841-1931, was a German chemist and Nobel laureate 1910. Known for his work on alicyclic compounds and the structure of essential oils, he made significant contributions to organic chemistry. Wallach's research advanced the understanding of molecular structures in complex hydrocarbon. Paul Hayes. Paul Hayes, 1830 to 1914, was a German writer and Nobel laureate in literature 1910. A versatile author, he wrote poetry, novels, and plays. Hase's works often celebrated beauty and explored themes of love, nature, and the human spirit, contributing to German literature. Albrecht Kossel. Albrecht Kossel, 1853–1927, was a German biochemist and Nobel laureate 1910. Pioneering work on nucleic acids, he identified the 5 nucleotide bases and their role in protein synthesis. Kossel's research laid the foundation for understanding the molecular structure of DNA and RNA. Johannes Diederik van der Waals. Johannes Diederik van der Waals, 1837–1923, was a Dutch physicist and Nobel laureate 1910. Renowned for his equation of state for gases and liquids, van der Waals' work contributed significantly to the understanding of intermolecular forces, laying the foundation for modern thermodynamics. Frederick Beeger. Frederick Beeger, 1837–1922, was a Danish pacifist and politician, awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 1908. A co-founder of the Inter-Parliamentary Union, he worked tirelessly for disarmament and international cooperation, advocating for peaceful resolutions to conflicts and social justice. Gabriel Lippmann. Gabriel Lippmann, 1845–1921, was a French physicist and Nobel laureate recognized for his pioneering work in color photography. His use of interference patterns and reflective surfaces led to a method of reproducing colors photographically, earning him the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1908.